If you want to clean up your Photopea project and combine two layers into one, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Knowing how to join layers is one of those simple skills that can make your editing workflow much faster, especially when you're organizing text, images, or design elements. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, take a look at the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. This is where all of your layers are listed, and it's important to make sure the two layers you want to join are stacked directly on top of each other. Photopea only merges the selected layer with the one directly underneath it, so the order matters. Once you've confirmed that the layers are arranged correctly, click on the top layer of the pair to select it. You want to make sure the correct layer is highlighted before you do anything else. After that, right-click on the selected layer and look for the option that says Merge Down. This is the command that joins the top layer with the layer below it. As soon as you click it, Photopea will instantly fuse those two layers into one single layer. That means the content from both layers is now combined, which can help simplify your file and make further edits easier to manage. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, there's an even faster way to do it. On Windows, just press Ctrl and E together. On Mac, use Cmd and E. That shortcut performs the same merge down action without needing to open the menu. It's a great time saver once you get used to it. Just remember that this will only merge the selected layer with the layer underneath. So if the layers are not in the right order, you may need to rearrange them first. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to join two layers in Photopea using either the right-click menu or the keyboard shortcut. This is a quick but powerful technique that every beginner should know, and it can really help speed up your editing process. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tips, and I'll see you in the next one.